Hi everyone, I've opened up my Flitebox to take out the 12 volt battery that I have in there because I find that when I'm charging off that and running it, I've no idea what the voltage is and the percentage charge is in the 12 volts. So what I've done, I've bought myself a little indicator which I can mount onto the side of the Flitebox, and I can connect it up then to the battery and also to the leads in there, get all connected as one, and then I should be able to give it a quick check on what the percentage is. So if I just connect the red to the red there, and if I can tease out the black here and get that also connected. Come apart a little bit on me, there we go. And down here, yep, you can see I've got 12.7 volts, and if I tap that again, I see that I'm 76% charge. So that's all working fine. So what I need to do is just connect those wires together, and I'll just use these connectors that come with it, get all the wires through those, and then onto the battery. And then I'll just find a mounting point on probably on the fascia that I take off on the front here of the battery box, and see if I can find a good location that I can mount that onto that won't interfere with the battery once it's in place. So, time to do some electrical connecting. So that's the reds all connected, black's all connected, and the battery is now connected to each of those, and we have our voltage. Perfect. So, next step is to get it mounted onto the front of this plate. And there we have it, the finished product. Let's switch it on. And that's it. Now I will always know the voltage and the percentage remaining in my 12 volt battery. A lovely little job. I'm pretty pleased with that. Thanks for watching.